This conference will now be recorded.
So anyway, we have done only the previous things right till now.
Yeah, yeah.
How come it is taking this much time? Got created. So once I refresh it, I will be having under report. It should be here, right? So what I'll do, I'll go to the shared component once more, and then I will navigation menu, and I'll put that employee IR, and the parent would be reports. Apply change.
Why you have not done at the time of creating that page?
Actually, at that time, this report was not having any child into it. So it was not allowing me to select. So I don't know, there is some bug or something. So if it is not allowing, you can select any tab, or you can leave it as without tab, and later on you can go to the shared component and change it. So employee IR has been created. So that day we saw, right? We created, suppose this thing we converted it to a link, right?
Yes.
So that thing we did using Apex functionality, right? So
Mhm.
suppose there's a department, right? So let me create another page so that I would be able to explain it to you in a better way. So let me create a report. Let it be a classic report, and the this thing would be uh,
Department
de
details.
department department detail. Yeah, it will basically show the employee belonging to that particular department. Okay. Okay, this let it be a model page. Next,
What is this breadcrumb? Breadcrumb.
breadcrumb will see that. That is the option. I mean, that is one navigation item which can be created at the top. So suppose you are at third level, right, in the hierarchy. So all first level and second level will be shown, so that you can directly click on the second level and can go back. You'll see that. So it is a model window, so let's not associate it with any item. So select all from EMP where DPT number is equal to, this is what, page 4 underscore DPT number. So this is the item I will be creating and using to pass the parameters. Okay.
But you will be
I'll,
passing the parameter from page 3, right?
yes, yes. So
So,
I've
so,
just, yeah,
so
tell
here
me
it
your
should
doubt.
not be P3.
I gave P4, I guess.
Yeah, it
P4.
should not be P3. Means, okay, the
No,
parameter belongs to this.
I will be setting this parameter in this. I will be creating an item here, right?
Ah, okay, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Hidden. Save it. So I will be passing the value for this, and then so like this it can be done. So now I've created the page. So the one way was to create it manually. So let me modify the column names, employee number.
It's fine, it's fine. This,
It's fine, right?
yeah, yeah,
So
leave it.
this, yeah, this is the department number. So I wanted to suppose I have a department name as well. So instead of this department name will become link, and department number, a department name will come from the department table, right?
Yes.
DPT, where emp dot dept number is equal to dept dot dept number. Okay, so I want the name here, right? So once I do this,
It's not EMP table, right? It's
yes, the DPT,
DBT
sir.
table.
I'll do okay. So now this is department number. I will make it, I will put it here. After manager department number, I will make it as hidden column. And this d name I will make it as a link,
Link.
which will take me to page number 4. And the parameter, it will search for all the parameters available in page 4. P4 department number I have just created, and I will pass the value department number from this report. Like this, it has to be given. Uh,
Okay.
okay. Once I do this and save this, so once I refresh, I will be able to see links for accounting detail. And once I open this accounting, it will give me the employee list from the accounting, and I
Okay.
can. It is as simple as that. But what happens? Suppose this is the link, and you have defined the target as page 4. But in
Mm-hmm.
some cases, suppose you have to get navigated to different pages depending upon the entries here. So accounting will
Mm-hmm.
go to page 4, and research will go to page
Some other
5,
page.
like that, some other page. So in that case, you cannot use this apex inbuilt feature to send it to a different page. So in
Okay.
that case, what you will do, you will modify your query in a such a way, like it will show the department name, but the link will be created at the query level, not at the apex level. So for that purpose, there is a function. I'll show you where it is. Yes, there is a function, href link in HTML, you must have heard of. It is used to create links in a website. Okay,
HREF. Okay. No, I'm not aware of it. Okay.
it's a hyperlink, so we
Mm-hmm.
can make use of this.
Okay.
So once I do this, so I can use once I create the links in this manner, I would be able to put case statement, right? So case statement will be uh, like we can form the case, like if the department number is 10, then go to page 10. Department number is 20, then go to page 20. And this is the URL. Apex URL looks like this, so we can change the this thing. So page 4 I am trying to go, and in page 4, p4 underscore department number is there, right? P4 underscore dept number. Okay, and the item is this. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and I want to show the department name here. So like this I can do. I will remove this thing from here. I will put d name. Okay, and I will try to validate it. This has got validated. So page 4, like this, I mean, we will see how it can be, I mean, how to put this kind of thing. Substitution is string, we'll discuss about that. So right now this is how the parameter is passing. I'm setting the value for this parameter with this value. Hmm? So it is validated, and I'll do OK. So whenever I'm doing any kind of HTML which has to be rendered on a page, I need to select that column and go to the security attribute of it and make a special character, escape a special character as no. Otherwise
Okay.
that HTML will not come into effect.
Mm-hmm.
So once I
On
do
the
this,
page
let
level,
me
huh?
see. Yeah. So like this, you can see like this one is coming as coming from this
Okay. So,
manual linking. So once I click on accounting, it will do the same thing, but you I mean, using case statement, you could have you could have linked it with different pages, right?
but
Suppose
there is no
case when
case
the
statement you have written. Okay, you will write
I
it
have not
if.
written, yeah,
Okay, as
in
of now you are
such a
generating the
scenario,
same page. Okay, okay, got it.
yeah.
The same
So
page you are.
you will write as many case statements and change the page number as the requirement may be. Here it is 4, so you can write another case statement when department 20, then go to page 5. Other
Okay.
things will remain the same.
So
Okay,
this apex
the
underscore UTL dot prepare URL, we can use it anytime. It's a standard function. We can use it to
yeah,
prepare the.
it's a util given by Apex, so you can maybe have a look into that and
Okay.
see what all things are, how what is the application of this. So similarly, if you want, this is a link, right? You can create a button also. So if you want to have a button, so in that case, I will create a button for you. These are some of the examples how to use HTML in a page. So
Okay.
it is, I will put it as view underscore detail. Okay, and other things, it is the same thing, and the p4. I need not put any display value because it would be view detail, view details.
Button name,
Okay,
huh?
button name, yeah, that button will have, like here the button name is okay, right? It will come with view detail. So these are the certain button types available. So, and it has a class. So if you change the
For
class
this, I
to
need
some
to understand the HTML.
yes, yes. So I mean, these are basic applications of HTML in Apex, so it's not that much advanced. So as I have created view detail, right? So I need to change for this one also, as it is HTML. I need to go there in the security attribute and change this escape a special character to no. So only this much I have to do. I'll save it, and once I refresh this page, I would be seeing a button in each of these reports. So when I click, once I click on this, it will do the same thing as these links are doing. So like this it will do.
Mm.
Okay, these are some of the applications of buttons, HTML. So you can have button, you can if you wanted to have, right, images RC, right? So there's a link, right? Uh, imgsrcn Oracle Apex. So and display static images, you can do that. Images RC. So you can show a image also instead of button and link. You can display image source link in Oracle Apex. Oracle Apex report. So this tag will be used, and inside that target you can define. And I need to see where it is that URL. Yes, this is, yeah. So inside a tag, right, you will put this one. So we defined one manual tag, right? So this is hidden column. So let me copy it here for the time being. So if I change it to link, some page 4 I will select, and link text I need to copy that if you want to see, right?
Mm-hmm.
This one I need to use. I want to use this one, okay? Image prefix like this, okay? I will not save the changes,
Mm.
and instead I will, okay. So I have created that link, right? This one link. So instead of this link department number where I have given this one, I will put this image source. Okay, I'll save it. It won't save, I guess. So I will need to put one JavaScript tag. I need to be putting one closing tag also, I guess. No, that is not necessary. So once I refresh it, that those links will get replaced by that icon. Got it? So once I click
But
on this
this,
icon,
but these are the standard icon. These are the standard icon, right?
yeah.
This
So
one.
if you want to upload something else,
No,
suppose
no,
this.
I don't want to upload it, but I don't know what you have done it. This coding and all. Means last time also we have simply replaced it with a standard icon, right? In the link.
Yeah. So you want
This
any
only.
customized icon or something? Huh?
No, no. What I'm saying is, what you have done it then now. Means see, one standard was there, the standard icon, right?
Yes. Yes. So when
Now
a
what
standard
you
icon was there, so I just wanted to uh, I wanted to know the source of it. I mean, the what is the name of it? I mean, complete name of it. Okay,
okay?
and the class. So I got these two information from there. I just copied it and used it.
No, but then
So
where you have
yeah,
used it, you have written your own query.
I
In the
used the
query you
same
have put.
report, right? In this report only, we wrote one query, right? This query. So instead of earlier, it was the department name. So instead of department name, I have given this complete source
Okay,
for the
okay. So
image.
basically, you're showing me a way of how to display an image instead of, let's say, if there is a name, instead of that, if there is a
Yes,
requirement to show an image or something, then this is how we have to do it, right?
yes, yes, yeah, correct.
Okay, because I'm very poor. I have no background at all for this web technologies and JavaScript and all.
No, no, this is not that much advanced once you get used to this, no?
Advanced.
Uh,
Okay,
so very basic level, and you can say beginners. So this is how you can change it.
okay.
And also that day we discussed about changing the color of it, right? So what, how we
Mm-hmm.
can do that? We can write another case statement, and for the, suppose you want to change the color of the
Mm-hmm.
EMP, right? EMP name. So I will write one case statement as when uh, EMP
Salary.
dot that's greater than 12,000 1200. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then else and as ename and as this, as simple as that. In this I would be writing that JavaScript code which is span element. So a span in HTML. I will close this thing.
Okay, okay. So basically, everything boils down to this thing, HTML and JavaScript. This thing.
Yeah, some front end if you want to change, then span style color like this. Style color.
Yeah, it will become a red color, right? If you put like this.
Yes, yes. Yeah, this is the hexadecimal code for the color. I can put the color name itself. So span style color is red. Okay, so this one is good enough. So in this I will close the span tag. Okay, and I will use that employee name as this here. Okay, I will validate it. So now this employee name also has got some HTML effect. So I need to convert this also to escape a special character as no. I'll save it and I will refresh. So this
If
you
you don't do it,
can
then
see as
what
this.
error will come? That special character.
It won't be there won't be any error. It will just be displayed as plain HTML. It won't get converted. See what it comes like. It will come like this.
Ah, okay.
The same code that I have written. You need to do escape special character as no.
Mm-hmm.
So so you can change the this background color for this. You can change the you can do bold
Bold
and
and all,
italic.
yes. Italic.
Those kind of things you can do. So we have seen so many things, like we can change the using shared component. We can change the LOV and see the display value of that. Those things we have seen. So let's see what all other things we have. So one was the tabular report, right? So today I wanted to discuss the tabular report. So in the report, let's see what all different types of reports are left. Tabular we'll discuss last. Report with a form. So report with a form is a type of report which will create two pages, one for the report and second is for the form. So I'll show you how it is. It will ask the details for both report and form. So two pages it will create, page number 5 and page number 6, and it is the report form page number and this is the form page number. So suppose I want to create department and the department report, and then I want to create a form also for this department form. So these two will be linked. There
Mhm.
would be edit link, there would be a create new link. So these two are linked together. Reports under report is it is not still not allowing me to add. I don't know why. So I'll add it under home. So SQL query for the report is select all from department.
This for creating a form, huh?
Yeah, yeah. Primary key column it is asking. Let's go back. We'll select the table only because I want to select the row ID. So so you need to select what all columns you want to show in the report. So let's select all of these three, and then let's move on to the next page. And what all columns you want in the form. So department number you don't need because it will be generated by the sequence. Name and location you need, and let's select the primary key type as the row ID.
But this option was coming earlier also, right?
Which option? This number row ID was not coming because we gave the query, right? So
Okay.
it would have selected the primary key of that. So that is still fine, but it is, oh, I mean, better to select the row ID.
Yes.
So this is created. Once I refresh this, I would be able to see the department report. This is a report page which will have a simple report, and these are the existing department, right? So once you click on this edit link, you will be able to edit these departments, and it will open the page number 6, which is the form page. So like this it will do. So page 6 is let's like this it is coming. You can change the template how it is there. So
So
if you want to create a
this is
new,
a standard way of doing this one, right? I don't
yes,
need to
yeah,
write any
no code,
commit
yeah.
or something. Automatically, it will do all of this.
Yeah, automatically it will come into the
I
data
think
in
it
the
will not be used.
database.
Leave it. Let's go to the next report type. This will never be
Mm,
used. Nobody
yes,
likes this
yes.
kind of UI. They will be liking some custom thing on.
Mm-hmm. So just for the because it is there, I wanted to explain it to you.
Yeah, yeah,
So
understood.
report with some list view and these things. So we'll see. Even I don't know much about them. So let's see what is that.
Let us explore.
List view, page number.
List view. What is this page group? Select page group. We
Page
can put
group,
the
you
page.
can we can group certain pages together and give them a name. So it's just for the sake of grouping, like sales related pages will be in sales group, department related. So you can basically put a filter in the page report and take all those pages. You can see all those pages together. So I don't know what this list view does. What is the SQL example is there? No, I'll select the employee only. So these are not much used. I mean, last three at least. Report with form, I have seen couple of places where they have been used, but this last three I have not seen much.
Features advanced
Text
format to
column.
images.
Okay, so what is this? I mean, if you have a link target, so link target is you can create a list view and then counter column, supplementary information column as okay. Text column is employee name. Suppose job I select as counter column. I don't know manager if I
Counter
select
column could be salary.
salary. Okay. What is this? Enter target. Target is this. Okay. Link target. So I'll use that same thing, right? This thing I can use. And proceed. I can put it like this. Page 4 we created, right? Page 4, P4, DPT number. DPT number. Okay. Okay. Fair enough. So let's create it. Let's see what does it create.
Features, we are not creating any of them. Enable search, split.
Mhm. Mm, maybe we can do that. Let it create first the basic thing and then we'll see.
Mhm.
It has been created once it is like this. No, it is so. Hmm. So it has come like this. So once you click, this is this will have like the manager. Then manager will come add a job and the employee number. So once you click on this, it will open the department detail of it. Okay, so it will show me all the employees from that department. This is basically a template they have designed, and this way the report will be shown. And once you click on uh, any particular row, I guess this is it is the whole entire row is clickable, I guess. So once you click on this, all the employees from this employees department will be shown.
It's being passed and we're showing it. Okay.
Yes, yes. Okay. So this is one
Fine.
type of. Hmm?
Okay.
What is the next type of report list with column
Toggle.
toggle report
Yeah,
one? I don't
these
know.
two I will explore it. Leave it. Maybe we will see the other topic.
Okay.
What
So
is this?
the last topic that I wanted to discuss in a report was a Tableau report. So Tableau report has been replaced by the interactive grid in recent version, but it has been retained in the legacy pages. So I'll tell you what it is.
Any particular reason, or just that because of the backward compatibility they wanted to do it, or it has some other feature or some other
I,
advantage of
I,
using this?
Advantage would be like it can be manually be created. You can change the query and backend coding. You have more flexibility. That thing is not available with interactive grid. I mean, there can be several, and I have found like interactive grid is not that much customized. You cannot do that much of customization in interactive grid as you can do otherwise in interactive Tableau form. So definitely they will be improving interactive grid as well. So it is waiting. Let me refresh. Yeah, so let's select the same employee table. Mm, it's taking time. So this one has been created. So it is like multi changes you can do at the same time.
Ah,
So
okay, okay, like this.
like this it will create. So this thing is also possible with interactive report, but the thing is you cannot write simple by using some advanced features of Apex, no? Apex collections, and then in the collection you will use a select list and text field. Using that you can have this kind of layout created there as well. Okay, but
But
the
this is like,
issue here is
mhm,
the issue is interactive this tabular form can be created only on a table, single table.
yeah,
Okay,
multiple tables you cannot use it.
yeah, so that is one issue.
So
What we can do, like you can create a report like this. No, that is also not possible, so that would not be
it's like
possible.
direct editing on the table, right? Means whatever
Mhm.
you're creating and then you're creating, updating, and saving it, right?
Yeah, so other way could be I will tell you how to read the data from this page using PL/SQL process. So you can do one dummy report you create on dual table, and after that you can add columns, right? Null as something, and you can change the
Mhm.
text field, and you can create select list also. Sometimes you can change it as select list, I believe. So if I click on this employee name, I can have this as select list also. So if you want to have it select list, that is possible. Validation. So multi operation you can do. You can click on add row, no new row will get added. If you want to delete, you can just select them and delete. No, delete will save the. Okay. Automatically. I thought maybe it will delete and we have to save it. So,
Okay.
so
So basically,
this yep.
have you, people use this table? Like, do you get a requirement to use such kind of create such kind of report? Basically, it's a data entry form, right?
So this kind of reports are being used, but not that much, because using Apex collections and Apex items, you can create similar report. You can change the interactive report in to look like similar to this. Okay, so this is being used. I would not say it is not being used, but it is getting obsolete day by day.
Hmm.
So this is, you can maybe try it out. What all? Uh, it's up to you. Like, if you find it good, then it's good. Otherwise, it's up
No, it's very
individual
bad
choice.
actually.
Or
Yeah. I think for me, in my current organization, for me, the most requirement for report would be creating a uh, user-friendly UIs like dashboards and all. I
mm-hmm.
work on payroll, so okay, what is the payroll for this month, previous month,
Mm-hmm.
compare it, click on it, show the data. It's mostly 900%, 99%, I would say it's all read-only operations. But the thing is,
Okay.
it's like I have to show summary, and then they
Mm-hmm.
click on it, they get the details here and there. So that is what I have to do it mainly in terms of report.
Mm-hmm.
So because when you deal with Oracle ERP and all, when you integrate,
Mm-hmm.
this custom kind of pages will never be required until unless you're creating a totally custom application where you have to enter the data and all. Because
Mm-hmm.
for Oracle, in if I have to use such kind of page in Oracle, I have to use APIs to
Mm-hmm.
insert the data. I cannot directly insert the data. Otherwise, the system will not work. So there are
Yeah,
like
yeah.
Oracle provided APIs, right? So that we have to use it.
Mm-hmm.
So that's where the requirement will not become of for this one. But the mainly thing will be
Mm-hmm.
like I have to create a summary page, which will some show some chart. Okay, this is the cost of the employee, or this is the total bills, or this is the
Mm-hmm.
total amount in this month. Then you click on it, you show something in better way, because these all reporting is difficult in Oracle and all. You have to use other
Mm-hmm.
reporting tools.
Okay.
So that's where I have to see. So in the reporting, we have covered all the topics. Now, if you go there,
It's not complete reporting. I mean, like some other customization of reports are yet to be covered. So we'll
hmm
cover that slowly. Like, you can generate. There's a collection. You can use the collection as the data source for the report. So that thing we have to see how we have to use, what are
uh,
the.
I wanted to do
Yeah.
one thing. If you go to App Builder, see, I wanted to
Yes.
create my own table actually. So
So
I will
that
go
thing
in
you can
SQL
workspace. This
workshop
is
and
this is a separate session. We'll do that after report.
no, why I'm saying because okay, so basically, if I have to create a dashboard from a report, I have to click on dashboard, or I have to go to create application and create a report.
See, what is a dashboard? Dashboard is some kind of a page which will have certain reports, few charts, few pie charts, few bar charts, right? So first
Yeah.
of all, to design a dashboard, we'll create a blank page, and we can add as many items as we can. I mean, into that, right? Different type of
Mhm.
regions into that, right? So
Okay.
that is a dashboard. Earlier we used to have dashboards, but later on it was also removed. So.
in reports.
People
Can you
were
click on, can you go to the reports, create a page, click on
report
that one?
and then create page, then report dashboard. This dashboard I believe is different. Uh,
So when
Here,
we have report only, we have this option, and here only we have to put use in the interactive report only. We have to use the
what
dashboard one.
dashboard? No, you will create a blank page
Okay.
like this here. Blank page. You will add this one. Okay, and then once it is created, you can add a report into that. I must have told you like you can create a page and then add a report into that. You can create a new report which will also create a page for that.
Yes, yes.
Hmm? So like that you can do.
Okay.
Okay. So I think we are done with the basic report things. We will be looking into the customizations of report, like how to change the data source for a report and see. So we'll see that tomorrow you are connecting, right? Day after tomorrow you won't be, right?
I won't be. Day after I won't be here, and tomorrow evening, yeah. Tomorrow evening, I'm not. Okay, I will we will chat with something. If there's any
So
change in
from
the
India,
plan.
will you be able to connect, or how,
Yeah, I will be
should
able
I?
to connect, but not maybe 1 or 2 days, initial 2 days, because
Uh,
once I'll settle in one place and then I will we will connect. Because I'll be
okay.
traveling within India also. I'll be
Mm-hmm.
landing to Pune and then going to other place. So once
Mm-hmm.
I settle, then I will give you a call. So maybe
Okay,
on.
you can give me a message whenever you want to. I mean,
Yeah.
give me advance notice, no.
Yes, yes,
Otherwise,
yes. I will. Yeah, mostly on 30th maybe we can connect, not on 29th. 30th
mm-hmm,
evening we can maybe connect, or
mm-hmm.
on first or 31st, something like that.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
We'll plan.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, then, bye.
Thank you, Prashant. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.